Angel number 73 conveys the assurance that you are embraced, supported, and deeply loved by the angels, archangels, and ascended masters. This number signifies that your dedicated efforts on the spiritual path and soul mission have borne fruit, leading to the manifestation of prosperity and abundance in your life. Your angels want to emphasize the importance of maintaining a positive attitude to sustain the flow of positive abundance. Be receptive and open, allowing the well-deserved rewards and blessings to gracefully enter your life, as they are on their way to you.